Hello guys, so welcome to this video. Sorry if it's partly edited as I want to make this video quickly. But today I'm going to talk about MSDCF 2026. This is a guy that I and my friend Yoran has been in drama with. So this guy is very overrated as he has 72,000 subscribers. But all he posts is random Grandmaster garbage and also random clips with effects. People like me and others should get more subscribers than him. He also is very immature as I and my friend made a post about him saying that he is very overrated and he acted like a baby over it. He even made a hate video of me which is just 4 seconds of this. But the worst thing is that he is monetized and he even has a store which has merch, which which means that he is making money out of making shitty videos. And plus his merch is pretty garbage. All you put is some Yoshi avatar on a shirt or something and that's it. So in conclusion, he is a man child that unfortunately makes money. I recommend you to unsubscribe from him as he is very mature stuff and bye.